Yo, you good?
I'm good. I'm good.
Alright. Yo, I got some cough medicine behind you.
I'm good. I'm good, bro. Trust, I'm good.
Right behind you. Right behind you, bro.
You sure, bro? I don't see no cough medicine in this, bro. Mom, shh, go to sleep, bro. Go to sleep. Don't fight it. Don't make this any harder than it is. Don't fight it. Don't fight it. Go to sleep, bro. Go to sleep. Can you really blame me, my nigga? Why, bro? Why? Why did you force me to do this? Why? We could have been best friends, my nigga. Could have been best friends, bro. But you forced my hand. I had no choice, right? I had no choice. I had no choice, right? I had no choice.